Have you seen us lately? Discover the new ADJ Lighting on tour in 2023. This summer and autumn, ADJ Lighting is on tour, showcasing our professional lighting products for concerts, event production and installations. Experience our groundbreaking Lime LED technology and our robust outdoor IP65 rated solutions. Meet the ADJ team and network with the best in the business. We're redefining light with our professional moving heads, our versatile stage lighting fixtures, and forging new ground with our Jolt strobes and Hydro Series IP65 rated moving heads. Hear the breathtaking sound of the Avanti Audio Imperio series. You'll be amazed at the crystal clear sound that comes from such a small speaker. Join the ADJ Road Tour and discover a new look at light.